Did you know most anglers quit early because their waders fail them at the worst moment? Today, we're uncovering the best fly fishing waders that keep you dry, confident, and unstoppable. Welcome to the channel, your shortcut to smarter gear choices. All product links are in the description, so check them out. The number 6 product on our list is Trudave Wader. It's surprising how many anglers spend years battling cold leaks, stiff fabric, and waders that feel like they're actively working against them. That frustration is exactly what makes this setup instantly refreshing. The moment you pull them on, there's this unexpected sense of freedom. The cut moves with your body, the front leg seams bend naturally, and suddenly you're not thinking about your gear anymore, you're thinking about the water in front of you. That shift alone feels like a small victory. The pockets add another layer of relief. A big waterproof chest pocket keeps essentials dry and close, while the quick access flap pocket makes grabbing your license or phone effortless. Compared to waders that bury storage behind stiff panels, this design simply makes more sense. The neoprene sock feet feel durable and comfortable, especially during long treks over gravel and river rock. In real use, the waterproofing holds up impressively, offering the kind of dryness that gives you peace of mind during deeper crossings. These don't come with boots, which some anglers may see as a downside, but the advantage is control. You pick the boots you like instead of being stuck with a mediocre built-in pair. When compared to heavier or more rigid models in this price range, this one stands out for its flexibility and comfort. It's not the top choice for extreme winter conditions, but for all-season fishing it performs with confidence. If you want waders that feel lighter, move smoother, and keep you dry without draining your energy, this is a smart, satisfying pick for both new and experienced anglers who crave comfort and reliability on the water. And number 5 is OXYVAN Wader. It's surprising how many anglers step into the water thinking their waders will keep them warm and dry, only to feel that icy leak within minutes. That sinking feeling is exactly the problem this setup tackles head on. The first thing you notice is the confidence it gives you before you even take a step. The neoprene feels thick, protective, and built for conditions that would send lighter waders straight to the trash. Slip them on and there's an immediate sense of insulation, almost like stepping into a shield that locks out cold air and deeper water. Compared to slimmer options in this category, these deliver a noticeable boost in warmth, especially with the built-in insulated boots that turn chilling mornings into surprisingly comfortable sessions. The reinforced seams and bonded layers feel battle-ready, offering peace of mind for anglers tired of patching leaks or replacing waders every season. They're not the most lightweight pair out there, but what they offer instead is rugged reliability tested in real environments. The adjustable chest belt and overall design make movement easier than expected for neoprene, giving you enough flexibility to crouch, cast, and climb without feeling restricted. Storage could be better, but the trade-off is durability and warmth you can trust. This model stands out especially for cold weather fishing or waterfowl hunting where staying warm becomes just as important as staying dry. If you're looking for something breathable for hot climates, this won't be your pick. But if you want a pair that brings comfort, safety, and a sense of readiness to every winter outing, these make a strong, reassuring choice for anglers who value toughness over minimal weight. Number 4 is Dark Lightning Wader. Most anglers don't realize it at first, but one of the biggest reasons they cut their trip short isn't the fish, the weather, or the current. It's uncomfortable, overheated, or poorly fitted waders. That's why this setup feels like a breath of fresh air the moment you step into it. The lightweight design gives you instant mobility, and the breathable fabric lets heat escape instead of trapping it against your skin. That alone makes long days on the river feel less like a battle and more like an experience you can actually enjoy. Compared to bulkier neoprene models, this pair feels noticeably easier to move in, especially during long walks upstream or while climbing over slick rocks. The waterproof chest pocket adds a layer of convenience, keeping essentials dry and accessible without feeling bulky. Durability is another strength. The reinforced build gives a level of confidence you don't often see at this price point, making you feel prepared for brushy banks, river crossings, and unexpected snags. The fit is surprisingly comfortable too, with enough adjustability to accommodate different layers and body types. It's not ideal for extreme cold since breathable waders rely on layering, but for spring, summer, and early fall fishing, the combination of comfort and airflow is incredibly refreshing. Compared to some in this lineup, this one stands out for being lightweight yet tough, making it an excellent choice for anglers who value mobility and comfort above heavy insulation. If you want waders that keep you cool, dry, and ready to move without draining your energy, these offer a smart, balanced solution that brings a real sense of ease to your time on the water. The third one on our list is fly fishing wader. Most anglers don't talk about it, but the moment your waders start leaking or overheating, the entire trip loses its magic. That's exactly why this setup feels like a breath of relief the moment you step into it. The PVC-coated nylon feels protective yet surprisingly light, giving you that reassuring sense of dryness without the bulky stiffness so many beginners struggle with. What really stands out is how quickly they slip on and off, thanks to the integrated boot design that feels stable and secure even on slick riverbeds. Compared to neoprene-heavy options, this pair keeps you cooler and more comfortable during long sessions, especially in warmer seasons where breathability becomes the difference between enjoying your day and calling it quits early. The adjustable suspenders, waist belt, and chest draw cord let you dial in a fit that moves with you instead of fighting against you, adding a layer of comfort that seasoned anglers always appreciate. The front pocket makes storing small essentials effortless, and the included drying hanger is a thoughtful touch that extends the life of the waders. They're not meant for extreme cold fishing, as the thinner material relies on layering, but for general fly fishing, wading creeks, or doing outdoor chores, they perform with surprising consistency. When compared to heavier duty models, this one shines for its balance of comfort, dryness, and value. If you're looking for a pair that keeps you confident on the water without weighing you down or draining your budget, this is a smart, reassuring pick, perfect for anglers who want simplicity, durability, and real-world comfort in every step. On number 2 is Foxelli Wader. You don't realize how much a pair of waders can change your entire day on the water until you've spent hours battling leaks, sweat, or heavy boots that drag your energy down. That's why this setup hits differently from the moment you step inside it. The lightweight feel is almost shocking at first, giving you an immediate sense of freedom and movement that rubber and neoprene waders simply can't match. The 2-ply nylon, backed with PVC, brings that reassuring dryness anglers crave, offering a barrier that feels tough enough for river rocks yet flexible enough for long hours of walking and casting. Compared to heavier cold weather models in this category, this pair becomes a genuine advantage during warm months, letting heat escape instead of trapping it. The reinforced knees add a layer of confidence for anyone who spends time kneeling on gravel or pushing through brush. The integrated boots are a standout. They seal cleanly, feel lighter than expected, and the non-slip soles grip surprisingly well on wet stone and muddy banks. Storage is simple but functional, with pockets placed in spots that don't interrupt your cast or movement. They're not built for freezing temperatures without layering, and that's the only real trade-off. But for anglers who want to stay dry, stay mobile, and stay comfortable through long warm season trips, these deliver a balance that feels smart and reliable. If you want waders that lighten the load, boost comfort, and give you a sense of ease with every step into the river, this is a thoughtful and trustworthy pick for both newcomers and experienced anglers. Now, moving to the last one is TIDEWE Wader. Most anglers don't admit it, but one of the quickest ways to ruin a perfect morning on the water is stepping into cold, muddy current and immediately feeling moisture creep into your boots. That sinking feeling is exactly what this setup is built to erase. From the moment you lift it out of the bag, the lightweight nylon PVC blend feels surprisingly rugged yet flexible, a combination that gives instant confidence before you even take a step. Once you put them on, the reduced weight is the first thing you notice. Long walks to hidden spots feel easier, and fighting fish or climbing riverbanks doesn't leave you overheating or worn down the way heavy rubber waders often do. The waterproofing is genuinely reassuring. Reinforced seams and welded boot connections create a barrier that keeps water and grit out, giving you that sense of safety and dryness every angler wants. Compared to bulkier insulated waders, this pair leans toward mobility and comfort, making it a strong choice for warmer seasons or long hours of active fishing. The adjustable suspenders and top draw cord help dial in a fit that stays in place, while the flip-out chest pocket and included waterproof phone pouch add practical convenience you'll appreciate during real sessions on the water. They won't give you deep winter insulation, so layering becomes important if you fish in cold climates, but the trade-off is a lighter, more breathable feel that many anglers prefer. If you want a pair that keeps you dry, keeps you moving, and brings peace of mind to every step into the river, this is a smart, dependable pick that balances comfort, durability, and everyday usability beautifully. So guys, this wraps up our video on the best fly fishing waders you can buy right now. I've added all the product links in the description, so make sure to check them out and grab the one that fits your style and game perfectly. If this video helps you in any way, don't forget to hit that like button. It really motivates us to keep bringing you honest, helpful gear guides. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming reviews, comparisons, and buying tips. Your support means everything. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.